And you already know, normally it says put 12 psi in here, so you're not talking an automobile tire. Fastest you're gonna go is probably about 10 miles an hour. All you care about is here in it. So not like you're putting 40 or 50 psi in it. There it goes. Oh, did you lose that? Not want to lose your stem. Okay, the stem's pushed out. It's on the walls. Oh yeah, that puppy's nice and hard. Alright, shouldn't have any more issues with it until the tire dry rots, rips out the walls. You're not worried about tire being balanced or anything like that. You just want to make sure you got air in the tire, right? So, a new tire is going to run you about, I would say, between $45 and $65. So, by getting the last of it out. Let's see, is any PSI or anything in here? See, slime is not guaranteed to seal walls, sidewall punchers, pinch flats, glass cuts or punches over an eighth of an inch. Be sure to remove all foreign objects from the tire. If necessary, reinflate the tire and rotate to create the seal prior to inflating or deflating a slime seal tube. Rotate the tire so valve is at 10 to 12 o'clock position. Helps seal to flow away from valve, preventing it from clogging or air source. Do not overinflate. let's see. Slime tubes come preloaded with slime seal. When a puncture occurs, the fibro-seal particles in the slime entwine and clog and create a flexible and long-lasting plug. The escaping air force forces the slime into the hole, repairing the plug. So you definitely, as you can see the description, for I pay 19, yeah, $20 for it. You're gonna pay probably three times more for a new tire. And if there's anything in there that I missed, then it's going to seal it. And if you're driving around, see, you can see it's got plenty of tread on it. You know, it's not like it's bald or anything, and it's your front tire. So let's get this back on the tractor. Go ahead, put some grease in it. It has its own. I can see the grease flowing through right there. Inner washer. All right. Okay, let's get this on the tractor. We are. Found my little lock ring. Get that off of there. Fisher knows to get him out. Remember, there's going to be a little. I'm going to have a inner washer here, so make sure it's there. Now you get the tire inflated. Alright, next up, you got your outer washers. Just a little cap here. A lot of grease sitting on that. I'll get your rock tab on there.
Get the hell off my car.
There we go. Okay, let's get a pair of channel locks on here. What you doing?
I think I'm going to the store. You don't really want to go, do you?
Alright, I'm back. Let's get that squeeze that. There we go. Just use a pair of channel locks. Lock it on there. Go ahead and pop that cap back on there. Hit it hard. grease in there. It's covered with grease, alright. Okay. Alright. So we are. Green cap. So we are done. Okay. Plenty of air in that one. Air in that one. Probably need some. Put some in there. Big ones. Alright. So I don't think I won't have a problem with that one anymore. Next one's this one here, but I put some slime in this one and it's been working out well. Big one's a little different. It'll take a little bit, it goes flat, but we don't have an issue with that. Let's get, I'm going to check the air pressure all the way around. These are like 25 pounds. Okay, and it's got 12 in it. So. Alright. We are all set. I'm not gonna need any starter fluid today, that's for sure. Alright, here we are. Let's see if we got anything in battery. Wait and see here. I know I'm not gonna need any ethanol. Let's see what happens. Okay, almost. Well, I ain't started in about a month, so I'm expecting that. At least I got plenty of battery.